Welcome to Evangeline Ed Academy. Today, we are going to learn about location decisions, Unit 4.4 IGCSE Business Studies. Introduction, Chapter 4.4.1 Location Decisions. The choice of location is a crucial long term strategic decision. Getting it wrong can lead to high cost and low efficiency. This section explores factors influencing the location of manufacturing and service businesses, factors influencing international location decisions, the role of legal controls and government influence, how to recommend and justify an appropriate location. Your learning goal is by the end of this presentation, you will be able to analyze and recommend the best location for different types of businesses. What are manufacturing businesses? Manufacturing businesses produce physical goods, example cars, furniture, clothes. Their location decisions often revolve around minimizing production and distribution cost. The factors that affect the manufacturing business's location are availability of raw materials. That is, locating near raw materials reduces transport costs, especially if materials are heavy or bulky. Number two, availability of labor. They need access to workers with the specific skills required, example, engineering or technical. If the process is unskilled, a low wage area might be chosen. And number three, transport links. Excellent roads, rail, or ports are essential for receiving materials and distributing finished goods quickly and cheaply to customers. And number four, power and water supply. Energy intensive industries need a reliable, high volume power supply. Some industries, example chemicals, need large amounts of water. And finally, external economies of scale. Locating near similar businesses can mean access to specialist suppliers, support services, and skilled labor. Examples Silicon Valley for tech. Location factors for service businesses. What are service businesses? Service businesses provide intangible services like banks, shops, cinemas, and gyms. Their location decisions often revolve around accessing customers and visibility. What are the factors that affect the location of service businesses? Number one, proximity to customers. Essential for retail, restaurants, and personal services. They must be easily accessible to the target market. Example, a bank in a busy shopping area. And number two, availability of labor. They need staff with customer service skills for specialized services. Example, IT support. Access to qualified, educated workers is key. Number three, parking and accessibility. Customers must be able to reach the location easily, that is via public transport or car. Sufficient parking is often critical. Cost of land or rent. Prime central locations like High Street have higher rents but attract more customers. The business must weigh customers' access against cost. Finally, technology or communication. Non face to face services, example call centers, internet banking, back offices, can locate anywhere with reliable, fast broadband connection. What are the factors for considering international location for a business, that is globalization? Why locate operations abroad? International location involves setting up facilities in another country. Why do you do it? What are the reasons? Cheap land and labor. Many businesses relocate production to countries where wages are significantly lower, example, moving manufacturing to Asia. This reduces unit cost. Access to new markets. Setting up operations in a foreign country helps avoid trade barriers and allows the businesses to better understand and serve local customers. And number three, government incentives or grants. Foreign governments often offer grants, subsidies, or tax holidays to attract foreign investment and create jobs. It avoids import restrictions. Producing goods inside the target country bypasses quotas or other restrictions placed on imported goods. Availability of resources. Locating near essential resources that are unavailable or scarce in the home country. Example, specialist minerals. The role of legal controls on location decisions. Number one, government and local authority influence. Governments play a major role in influencing, limiting, or encouraging where a business locates. Number two, planning regulations or zoning laws. Government divide land into specific zones, example, residential, industrial, and commercial. Heavy industry like chemical plants cannot build near residential areas due to noise and pollution. A business must apply for planning permission. And number three, incentives and grants. Governments often offer financial help to businesses that locate in areas with high unemployment, known as development areas or assisted areas. These incentives can include cheap rent, tax relief, and infrastructure improvements. Environmental controls. Stricter laws on pollution and waste disposal in some areas or countries can deter dirty industries from locating there. Overall goal. Governments use controls to limit pollutions, protect the environment, and encourage job creation in specific regions. For the case study approach, the question is recommending and justifying a location. Number one, the decision process. When deciding on a location, a business must analyze needs, that is, determine the most important factors. Example, for a high end jeweler, customer access is key. For a smelting plant, cheap power is key. And number two, shortlist the options. Identify two to three potential locations. And finally, calculate the cost and benefits. Use a weighted factor analysis, a technique where key factors are scored and weighted to compare options. Example justification. Number one, cost of labor. Why is it important? Major cost for high volume manufacturing happens. So the recommended location, let's say country X, where it is a low wage economy. And justification is choosing country X will significantly reduce production cost and allow the businesses to offer lower prices, gaining a competitive edge. Transport. Look at the transport. Why is transport important? If products are bulky but low value, it should be near a major shipping port. And the justification is if it is located near a port, transport costs to international market are minimized, offsetting the cost of shipping bulky goods. And the third location factor is the cost of land. You need a large site for a big factory. So the recommended location can be an industrial estate on the edge of a city. And justification is land is cheaper than in the city center while still providing necessary infrastructure, power, water, and accessibility for workers.